I don't let anybody, and I mean anybody, disrupt the music inside my head. I don't care if there's pure chaos, tornadoes, bullets flying, or misery around me. The music in my head, it can't be stopped. The more I do it, it actually seems to get louder and louder. It becomes more clear. Sometimes I think of that little gospel tune. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Yeah, that one. I feel like my whole life I've had this little white candle with a bright flame at the top. I've been running, jumping through hoops, protecting this little light with my right hand, holding it up with the left. The world is going crazy around me. Sometimes these haters are trying to blow it out, but I'm very protective of this light. I'm kicking ass left and right, just trying to keep this little light shining. I've seen some people lose their light. Some folks' lights got put out. Some people put their own light out. Some people shine so bright that it blinds the others. Everybody got a different type of light. Mostly, I just want to worry about mine. Some days it's dimmer. Some days it's beautiful and bright. But no matter what, every day I'm trying to keep this little light going.